Hello everyone, today we're diving into the versatile ZOMFELT Rolling Backpack, a perfect travel companion for both women and men that combines the convenience of a suitcase and a backpack in one. This innovative rolling backpack features an aluminum alloy rod, non-slip wheels, and concealable shoulder straps, allowing you to effortlessly switch between a carry-on backpack and a travel suitcase, making it ideal for trips lasting 3 to 5 days. With a 17-inch laptop cabin and a 12.9-inch pad cabin, your devices are well protected with thick foam padding, while the main compartment offers ample storage for personal items and built-in elastic bands to keep your clothes secure. Designed to meet most airline regulations, its flight-friendly size of 20 by 14 by 8 inches ensures it fits perfectly in overhead compartments or under seats, making it your reliable travel partner. The included elegant toiletry bag, with a volume of about 3.5 liters, provides added convenience for organizing cosmetics, skincare products, and toiletries, so you never have to worry about clutter during your travels. Crafted from water-resistant nylon, this 40-liter carry-on backpack is not only practical but also durable, with an adjustable telescoping handle to reduce pressure while traveling. Whether you're using it as an airplane travel bag, weekender bag, or laptop backpack, the ZOMFELT Rolling Backpack is a fantastic option for anyone over the age of 12 looking for a reliable travel solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.